everyone, I am Olivia, the virtual anchor of this channel. The Feynman Learning Method is briefly introduced as follows. Nobel Prize winner in physics Richard Feynman demonstrated his extraordinary insight and ability to simplify complex concepts during his investigation of the 1986 Challenger space shuttle explosion. He explained the mystery of the space shuttle explosion using a glass of ice water and a small piece of rubber, the same material as the O-ring. In addition, Feynman also proposed an efficient method of learning and understanding, which is known as the Feynman Learning Method. At its core, it is about testing your own knowledge and finding gaps in your understanding by teaching others. Steps of Feynman Learning Method. 1. Choose a topic. Decide on a topic you want to learn about or understand in depth and use that as a starting point for your study. 2. Try to explain it in simple language. Imagine you need to explain it to someone who is totally unfamiliar with the subject, e.g. a child. Break the concept down into its basic parts and express it in the simplest terms. 3. Find gaps in understanding. During the process, when you find yourself unable to explain certain parts clearly, this usually means that you don't understand that part deeply enough. Return to study materials for further study and to fill in gaps in your knowledge. 4. Simplify and reconstruct. Simplify the originally complex or unclear expressions and reorganize the explanation in a more fluent way to make it easier to understand. Practical application. The Feynman Learning Method is applicable to academic learning, mastering professional skills, preparing speeches, and quickly understanding new knowledge in daily life. For example, for learning mathematical formulas, grasping scientific concepts or explaining complex technical problems. The essence of the Feynman Learning Method is an active learning process, which focuses on understanding rather than simply memory, making learning more efficient.